Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today we're going to be doing Pumpkin Fest 2019. Okay, guys, so it's that time of year again. It is Pumpkin Fest. So you know what? Let's get into an appropriate outfit.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
We're looking kind of good. Okay, guys, so today I'm going to be trying to get this wand. So yeah, let's just go. Okay, first I guess we'll look over this way. Let's just go, I guess. Okay, we got nothing so far. Let's head over here. Okay, guys, still no sign. Let's keep heading over. Okay, we can't find it over here. I guess we're going over here again now. Oh my god, okay. Alright, wizard battle. Bursting a rascal.
You stupid.
We'll use embers for our first spell. Alright, 62 is in the ones. How much damage? Ooh, let's go. Already trying to beating the rascal. Okay, snowing ball. Oh, okay. He's kind of doing a little bit of damage, but we're on top. We use falling star smash. Okay.
Bruh.
Let's go. He's getting destroyed already. Alright, final question. If we get this right, we're going to be able to defeat the rascal. Okay, guys, the moment of truth. We did get some candy corn. How much are we gonna get? We got 10 candy corn, and that should be just enough to get the brand new wand. Go to candy corn, go to wands, and we got the chocolate bar blade. We're using it. Let's go test it out in battle.
Scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. Spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky, scary, spooky,
Alright, guys, so I really hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up down below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.